Hi guys, well today I'm going to do a video of the best solution to do when your S3's charging port is not working. So what I did is I bought this cheap wireless charging pad from eBay. I'll put the link in the description down below. So I bought this from eBay for just £3.95 and it came with this connector and try one-handed a manual, but we don't need that, and it came with a charger, no, not a charger, like the thing to plug in there. Okay, so first what you want to do is, let me try this one-handed, is open the back cover of your S3, the one that isn't working. What you want to do is open the little, I'll be back when this is opened. Okay, so this is opened from the little baggy thingy, and now what you want to do is take these connectors, put them onto here. So what you want to do is do it like, but you don't want to bend the thing. So you want to put them on, just leave them there, don't touch them, and then you want to put your back cover back on. It should just, oh wait a minute, it should be able to just snap on because the wireless receiver is quite thin. Not too much of a lump. Okay, so once you've got it sealed, you want to get the USB. You want to get the USB, and you want a plug, and you want to plug it into the wall. And I'll be back when that's done. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to plug this into. I'm going to plug the USB in into there, and I'll be back. Okay, so once it's plugged, you would see this red light here, and all you want to do is pop the phone on top. And this blue light, should come on, and it should tell you the phone's charging. So the phone is charging. It just did that battery thing. So when you see that blue light, it's charging. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.